There's massive outrage across the country after the steepest fuel price hike. Sources tell Times Now Congress is mulling over a partial rollback on the petrol price hike and has summoned Petroleum Minister Jayapal Reddy to explain the hike.
A nation in uproar, crippled by the massive blow in the form of an unprecedented fuel hike. And as the opposition sounds the war cry.
Ways adopted by this government
And the reason is
not. No, let me just finish. You are suggesting that as an opposition we sit and watch what the government is doing. And if you're telling us, oh, you want to come back to power, we certainly want to come back to power.
No, but then
we have a responsibility to get this country back to rails.
The Congress party is trying to firefight the government's latest crisis. Sources tell Times Now that the oil minister, who was summoned back from a foreign trip to explain the massive hike, has told the Congress High Command that even the government did not anticipate such a steep increase. As the pressure grows to announce a rollback, top sources say Jayapal Reddy has told his party leadership that he will speak to the oil companies and that the petrol prices may be revised in a day or two. But as the Aam Aadmi cries for his voice to be heard,
सरकार के विषय में यही बोलना है कि इतना नहीं बढ़ना चाहिए था तेल के दाम जो हिसाब से बढ़ गया कमाई तो एकदम खत्म समझिए कि हो जाएगा हम लोग के गरीब आदमी हैं डेली बेच कमाने वाला समझिए कि कमाई हम लोग के चल गया
and there are those who still claim that the hike was inevitable.
The fact that there are other imperfections in the tax and subsidy mechanism does not mean that another bad subsidy is justified. It's a poor country. 70% live under less than $1, maybe $1.50 a day.
This price rise of 7.5 is very high. Gradual is not going to solve a problem. That's politics. Ultimately, people have to bear the cost. I'm the worst hit. I make millions of vehicles every year which consume petrol. The demand is already weak. Demand will further suffer. So I'm one of those 2 or 3 companies in India out of thousands which will suffer the most maybe.
But questions remain. Are political parties sidelining the interests of the middle class because of political reasons? Is there really no alternative to what is being described as economically pragmatic decision of hiking prices? And will the political storm against fuel hike last beyond a few days of symbolic protest? Bureau Report, Times Now.